Okay, welcome back. Hey. So last time we took a lot of time, a lot of mistakes, but this time we are going to iterate faster. We are going to develop more in less time, and all these new devlogs will be more to the point because I think I am being very slow. So yeah, let's get started. Let's start up our emulator. See how much. See what is the state of the app right now, and then move forward. So up till now, the basic timer functionality works, and also sound is being played after the timer is up. So yeah, we will add other features now. Some mismatches still occurring, but we will figure that out later if we need to. So now we can pause resume as far as I know, and the audio also is playing, which is good. I hope by the end of this devlog maybe we can put out the first iteration on Play Store for internal testing at least. Let's see. Yep, the sound did get played. Okay. So now, where do we start? Let's start by adding some navigation buttons, I guess. I also have to download assets, I guess, to use in my app. Okay, so before that, let me just download the asset first of all. I can't say it. This is a great website, by the way. Let's sign in. I do like the iOS icons. I don't know why, but I do like them. So because our app's background is black, let's make the background white. Okay. Okay, so this is not the account we must be using. What is it? Because I had some 3 months access, but I don't know if that thing is over or not. Maybe it is. Oh wow, it is over. Hmm. Of course, this thing does not work. Fine, we'll use our old account. Stuff like this takes a lot of time, which is just plain stupid. Lighter. Okay, we'll take this one. Yep, white and black background. Anything text? No. Oh man. Let's download both of these. Nah. Hmm. Assets on images or just icons. Assets slash icons folder. Okay, I think that 100 pixel is not necessary. Alright, let's convert then. Okay. Nope. Back arrow SVJ. Um. Okay. Other than this, what else? Hmm. Can we make the progress bar animation more smoother? More smoother, I guess. It is kind of clanky now. Other than this, we need a back button. Change the fonts. Use Helvetica for the headings and railway for the timer for all the other text. Like timer, duration, and options. Let's do this much and then we'll see. Flutter bad SVG. No, 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 no. What all changes did it do? It used nah, 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 bro, nah. Let's run flutter pub get. Okay, something is wrong. Ooh. God damn it. The circular bar that you made is too small. Also, this is so cool, man. Which font is this? It's not here, I guess. And dot. Use Helvetica everywhere. When I go to the basic timer screen, the SVG button has a white row. SVG button is seen in a white row and not the black background. Damn, that scared me off. The circular bar is too small. Make it normal. Make it bigger or normal as it was before. And so what happened to the timer options? They look translucent now. Make them as they were before. We'll use Helvetica everywhere. Keep font sizes according. Never mind. Fix this bug. Also remove the debug sticker that is at the top right. Now let's see. Okay, it is saying it has done stuff. Let's see. Okay, I do think that is Helvetica everywhere. Oh god, it is somehow worse now than it was before. Let's revert all these changes. And so why can't I see that thing? Let me restart this thing. Cursor, bro. What? I did not change that. That is insane. That is insane. Now let's see again. Now let's see how our app looks. Mm-hmm. This is kind of stupid. Is it just me, or is there nothing there? That is weird. There is nothing there. Fine, we will just download the PNG stuff. PNG ones. Oh, wait a minute. What is on with this thing? Okay, this seems nice. You know what? I'm going to download it again. This looks nice. Hmm. The animation thing was not fixed. What else? Use PNG images instead of the SVG ones. Mm, there is no fit here. Hey. Fit with it. Welcome to Fit with it. This is also Helvetica. Oh, CS. I knew it. Oh, okay. This is so much better now. The start button needs to be fixed though. The start, pause, and reset buttons all are translucent to make them opaque, and use white color font for the font. As is done for the time options. Hmm. Let's see. A Okay, so it did remove the SVG, but it did not update it. But where is SVG thing? It hasn't. Okay, so the name is it's just messed up the name. Back arrow. Still the error is there. Oh, maybe we need to stop this. Yes. Cool. Okay, so there is an older version. Okay. Maybe we need to restart the emulator this time. Error launching application. Okay. Let me take stuff into my own hands now and delete all the older versions. Okay, now let's see. This thing is still not good. Okay, but fine. Hey, we do have the back button here. And it works. Cool. Forget making the animation smoother. We will do something later. For now, let's make it an actual hit timer. So I want you to add a rounds input on the basic timer page. So the user can select for how many rounds he wants the timer to run, and for that many times the timer will run. Make the animation circular progress bar as it was before. Also make the timer time options fully customizable, which means that the user can select or type the number of seconds and minutes, type the exact number of seconds and minutes he wants the timer to run for. For selecting the time, add a, what do we call it, drop list or select list. Select list with options at an interval of 5 seconds. So 5, 10, 15 and so on up to 55 seconds and then 1 minute. Then make the intervals and have options as the intervals up to 1 minute 55 seconds and so on up to 5 minutes. For now, let's have the timer limit at 5 minutes. If the user wants a specific time which is not a multiple of 5, then have a input field where he can type the exact number, only numbers allowed, and the timer will run for that time. Okay, this is a big ass prompt, but let's see. There must be 2 time options now, one for work and the other for rest. So I wanted to add a round input. Okay, that might confuse it. There must be 2 options now. Okay, so this is, I think we should tell it somewhere else. So this is about the rounds. Then there must be 2 options now, one for work and the other for rest. Rest can be 0. Rest time can be 0. Work time cannot. So even if the user wants 30 seconds of work sets with 0 rest, then he must be able to do so. Okay, implement these features. Oof, that's a lot, but let's see how Cloud handles this. If it does handle it. Connection failed. Not my problem. Oh, I forgot to tell it. If there is no work time or it is 0, then the timer must not start. But let's see. These are a whole lot of changes, but let's just accept them. Anything else? Blue for work, green for rest. All right. Where is my emulator? Or should we have made it a basic timer and hit timer? Ooh, bottom overflowed. Okay. This looks so bad, but fine. And 30 seconds of work. Followed by 10 seconds rest. Where is the start button? Why is this? Oh, my bad. I get it, I get it. Hey, the rest. 30 seconds work and 10 seconds rest. Okay, so that is not working, but fine. Start. That sound should not play after every set, but fine. This thing is, man. Let's fix the animation thing first. Let's work feature by feature. No, it did not. Hmm. Use Helvetica everywhere. Remove debug sticker. Use PNG things. Now let's see. Cool. This is so much better. Now let's do stuff ahead. Is there a button though? Okay, not here. Not here either. All right. No, that is not what I meant. This is decent, I would say. What I do want is okay, not this. Use Helvetica everywhere. Remove Poppins and any other fonts. Let's go feature by feature. This thing might just be hallucinating. Let's see. The back timer is there, looking good. I told this guy, but never mind. Make the fonts bigger. Remove the debug sticker at the top right. Why did I? Oh my days. Okay, this is good. Now let's get to build the actual thing. Let's just have a rounds button first of all. Where should it be though? under the time options. Options that currently exist. Let's see. Hey, that's nice. Round one of two. Nice. This should not happen, but it did. But okay, it's a happy bug in a way. Pause. Resume. Oh, it should have resumed from the time at which it was paused. Hmm. When I pause the timer in any round and then reset it, then the timer starts from the set time, say 30 seconds again, instead of continuing from from the time at which it was paused. Also, the time up sound should be played at the end of the last round. Might as well get the other sounds. Hmm. When one round is about to end, then play another sound. I do need to get these sounds fixed up. First thing. Okay, never mind. We'll do that later. Hmm. Bug fixed. I need to create a Discord for this. I will today. Okay. Round 1 over, round 2 going on. Just pause it at 23. Resume. Yes, it is working at 23. Cool, good stuff. Now what shall we implement next? Should we implement the hit timer? I mean rest and work sets, or something else? Nice, the sound did play. Hmm. Let's have a, shall we have a total time button? Hmm. Let's see and try to add rest and work sets. There must be 2 time options now. Wants rounds with sets, which means the user can type. Let's do that for now. The exact number of seconds and minutes he wants the timer to run on. For now, let's have a timer limit at 5 minutes. Have an input field where he can type the exact number, only numbers allowed, of seconds, and the timer will run for that minute, that much time. You know what, let's just git push for now. It works. What did you do? Added rounds. And sound plays at the end of last round only. Git push. Let's push this thing first of all. Cool. Now let's get to building the further stuff. My laptop is fuming right now. Has this basic timer file become too big? I do not know. Ooh. Work time, rest time. Let's say 30 seconds of work time and 10 seconds of rest time. One round start. I don't think it can start that way. Let's have another screen. "30 seconds work, 30 seconds rest." You will need to do a lot of UI changes, obviously. Man, this video is going to be a long one for sure. Okay, can we pause the rest? Yes, we can. Why is rest green and work blue? Fine. What if we reset? Or it does go back? Let's just make a separate screen for this. Make a new file named timer.dart and have the circular animated progress bar, and have only the circular animated progress bar there with the time and work rest text. Rename the basic timer.dart file to basic timer screen.dart file, and have the work rest time setting options in this screen. Only have the timer in the timer.dart file. Separate the two. Man, I have so many ideas for marketing, but unless my app is up to a certain stage, I can't execute them. Oh, this guy is doing a lot of changes. I should have renamed the file myself, but fine. God damn, that's a lot of changes. How do we make it stop? Bro, just, just separate those two out. Yes. I have renamed. Yes, obviously do change. Hmm. Should I have? Let's see. This is a very big code. It's a lot of errors as well. Okay, let's see. All we do is see. Let's see. Basic timer. What has it changed? Okay, it did understand what it, but it did not. Remove the circular progress bar from the basic timer screen .dart file. Only have the time setting options there. I think at this stage, how much the app I have developed, maybe I can use it for myself, which is good. Yeah, obviously many more functions, features to be added, but I can start using this. Hmm. That doesn't look very reassuring. Reassuring. Nice. Work timer, rest timer, rounds, 30 seconds work. Let's have 10 seconds rest. 2 rounds start. Hmm. Did it not do this to do thing? Oh, the changes had not been saved, it seems. Oh, why is 30 seconds? Hmm. Wow. Implement this. Also have no time option selected by default. The UI has been separated now, but the timer does not work. Maybe this is because of the above to do. So there was no timer screen. What is this thing? That is a bit sus. But let's see. So we did separate the UI. We did make the widget, but we did not have a screen for it. Oh god, this is becoming a much bigger video, much longer video. Maybe I will stop in some time and then implement some other things. But not before showing you the progress. Okay, 30 seconds, start. Cool. Life was easy, and the only problem was that the audio was not playing at the end of the round. But now it's a lot more complicated. But yeah, it's fun. Let's try and add custom time. 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 2 rounds. Start. Hmm. This is not working. Hmm. We need to have or conditions for if the time is entered, custom time, or time is selected from the options, which is not implemented, it seems, right now. Let's see, 30 seconds and then 10 seconds of rest. No, there was no rest because this thing does not work. Okay, so this will be the last change for today, and then we will meet some other day. Okay, wait. In the timer conditions, even if the work or rest time is not from one of the options selected, but is manually specified, then also the timer should work. Start. Check for selected option or custom entered time. Also, do not have the rest time selected as 0 seconds. Anything else? We have got to do the arrow and everything work. All the icons for the circular timer, but we will do that later. Let's just get this done first. Hmm. Connection failed. Nah. Okay, that is not what I wanted to say. Also, do not have the rest time, default rest time as 0 seconds. Should I stop it? Okay, it is generating more. Okay. Yeah, I did remove the 0 seconds option as I thought. Fine, but that is not what I wanted. But let's see. One round. Two rounds. It is not starting unless I select. Do not have the default. Selected as 0 seconds by default. Add the 0 seconds rest time again. More importantly, the timer is still not starting unless I select one of the work options given. 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minutes. Custom time logic is not working. Fix this. Important. Let's see. This is today's last. Let's see. Basic timer. It is still 0 selected by default, but fine. 15 minutes, 15 seconds, 10 seconds. Start. No, it is not starting. For what reason, I do not know. Okay, that is not what it should happen, but That's kind of stupid. Redefined. Oh my god. I did 50 requests today itself. That definitely seems weird. But okay, fine. So that will be it for this video. Bye bye, guys. Peace.